Saksakallan gunarnavasya Vande Guru Sri Charanarvindam.
The elementary creation of 16 items of matter, namely the 5 elements, fire, water, land, air and sky, sound, form, taste, touch, and the eyes, ears, tongue, skin and mind, is known as saga, whereas subsequent resultant interaction of the modes of material nature is called visaga. In order to explain the 10 divisional symptoms of the Srimad Bhagavatam, there are 7 continuous verses. The first of these under reference pertains to the 16 elementary manifestations of earth, water, etc., with material ego composed of material intelligence and mind. The subsequent creation is a result of the reactions of the above-mentioned 16 energies of the first Purusa, the Mahavishnu incarnation of Govinda, as later explained by Brahma in his treatise Brahm Samhita as follows. The first Purusa incarnation of Govinda, Lord Krishna, known as the Mahavishnu, goes into a yoga nidra mystic sleep, and the innumerable universes are situated in potency in each and every hair hole of his transcendental body. As mentioned in the previous verse, Shrutana, or with reference to the Vedic conclusions, the creation is made possible from the Supreme Personality of Godhead directly by manifestation of his particular energies. Without such a Vedic reference, the creation appears to be a product of material nature. This conclusion comes from a poor fund of knowledge. From Vedic reference it is concluded that the origin of all energies, namely internal, external and marginal, is the Supreme Personality of Godhead. And as explained hereinbefore, the illusory conclusion is that creation is made by the inert material nature. The Vedic conclusion is transcendental light, whereas the non-Vedic conclusion is material darkness. The internal potency of the Supreme Lord is identical with the Supreme Lord, and the external potency is enlivened in contact with the internal potency. The parts and parcels of the internal potency which react in contact with the external potency are called the marginal potency, or the living entities. Thus the original creation is directly from the Supreme Personality of Godhead, or Parbrahm, and the secondary creation, as a reactionary result of the original ingredients, is made by Brahma. Thus the activities of the whole universe are started.